What's up, y'all? Card Guy 365. I have a Magic the Gathering Kaladesh 15 card booster. So without any further ado, let's see if we can get in here and see what we get. Aha. We're just shredding this pack. It is. Alright. We have Spontaneous Artist, Avery Mechanic, a Vedalken Blademaster, Terror of the Fairgrounds, Night Market Lookout, High Spire Artisan, Accomplish on Automaton, Tezzeret's Ambition, which is awesome, Metal Spinner's Puzzle Knot, another cool one, Underhanded Designs, Whirler Virtuoso, a refurbished card, nice, Chandra Torch of Defiance, there you go, that's a pretty cool one, that is a rare card. Yeah, awesome. Inspiring Vantage, another good card. That one's land. A Mountain basic land card. And a Servo is our token artifact creature in this one. Alright, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. And if you would, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay up to date on the coolest things. And I'll give you a little hint as to the awesome thing that's coming. And it is that it involves Magic the Gathering. So if you read a little bit into it, maybe you can figure it out. I'll see y'all next time.